What are the challenges we faced as an ABAP developer? How it reduced when it comes to the RAP? See, here in our Zoom call, we have four ABAP developers. Okay, four ABAP developers. If Harsha is written some set of code for a requirement, does Venu will return the same set of code if same requirement is coming to Venu? But by the end of the day, the achieving part will be similar. Whatever the way I have written, whatever the way Venu has written. But the kind of an approach as an ABAP developer is following will be differs. Right? I'll return some way of code. Venu will return some way of code. Gautam will return some way of code. Abhishek will return some different way of code. As the developer is different, the coding practice is also different, my dear. How amazing it was, right? There is no standard approaches. There is no standard approaches. For example, if Venu is being built one report, so need to perform one change. That change is coming to me as Harshavardhan. Okay. I have to adapt the code which will be written by Venu. Firstly, I have to adapt that particular existing code which will be written by Venu. So then only I can perform, then only I can analyze. Then only I can analyze. Without the analyzing, how can I make the changes in the existing report? So that means when the changes are being made into any existing development, you have to adapt that code firstly. The first point as an ABAP developer, you have to do this. Okay. As I said, the lack of standardization, there is no standard approaches. As the developer is different, the consultant is different, the different set of coding practices you will be seen. No unified standard approaches, both are same. As the strategic long-term solution for the ABAP development, SAP has coming up with the concept of this RAP. But the question here is, do we have any different kind of an approaches when it comes to the developers, like how we see in the classic ABAP, right? Okay, is there any different kind of an approaches? That is the most important thing. The beauty here in the rap side is you don't see different code practices, different patterns. Okay, whatever the developer, my dear, whoever the developer, my dear, whether Harsha, Venu, Gautam, or somebody else, Abhishek, whatever, whoever the developer, they have to follow the same standard approaches. No, I don't take this approaches. You cannot create an application. Okay, everything. If you want to reflect to the Furia, there is some set of parameters. If something is failed, you have to return to the app. There is some parameter. No matter who is the developer, whether he has 10 years, 20 years of experience, they have to follow that particular parameter only. They have to. Otherwise, you cannot create, my dear. You cannot reflect to the Fury app when the validation is being performed. When the validation is being performed to the user, when user does not provide anything, you have to raise an error message in the Fury app. You have to return into the reported parameter. No matter the developer, whether I am the developer, I am a fresher or somebody else, they have to return in the same. So that means there is no different set of coding practices in the RAP. There is no different set of practices. Okay? That is the beauty of an RAP. Okay, this is the beauty of an RAP.